Hey you guys, what's up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tash and welcome back to the channel. For today's video guys, you already know your girl is doing a SHEIN haul. So grab yourself a drink and a snack, come on back and let's see what I hauled this time. Y'all, so I'm trying something a little new. Finally got a brand new rack which takes up a very large portion of my studio. But before we get into that and my sizes, I do want to kindly thank SHEIN for sponsoring today's video. If you guys have been sleeping under a rock and you don't know what SHEIN is, baby girl, SHEIN is one of the biggest online marketplaces that sells everything from shoes, clothes, rings, necklaces, all kinds of jewelry, nose piercings, tongue piercings, belly piercings, all kinds of things guys, toys for kids, clothes for the entire family, electronics, stuff for your pets, your home, decor, bed sets, all kinds of stuff guys, literally everything you could possibly think of. I highly encourage you to download their app. I love their app, that's how I do all of my ordering. So again, thank you to SHEIN for sponsoring today's video. I want to share with you guys 8 pieces that I picked up that were on my radar. All of these items are brand new and literally the day that they launched, I picked them up. So we're going to start with this first piece here. This is a nice summer midi dress with spaghetti straps and I picked it up in a size 24-26. It is 100% poly. So you do have a little bit of stretch here in the bust, not much. More so in the back. It's got like this little bit of ruching back here, so if you're broader shouldered, you're good. Now, I did pick this up according to my measurements compared to theirs. I always highly recommend you check your measurements compared to theirs. Coming to you, these are the THRU colors. So it's got like this golden yellow, white, a pretty beige, and then another color block of that golden yellow. It hits me right at my ankles, if you guys can see my foot there. Here's what it looks like on the side, and then here is the back. So what I love about this is I'm 5'3", and as you guys can see, it's not, you know, making it where I can't move around freely. If I didn't have on, you know, like, what am I talking about? Platforms. If I didn't have on platforms, heels, things like that. So it's really easy to walk in. Very lightweight guys. The wind's gonna blow right through this if you get hot quickly. I like that. I like my clothes nice and thin. Just really pretty. I think it's nice and slimming. If you have a larger belly, wider hips, girlfriend, it's gonna hide all that. I think this would pair so cute with one of their crop denim jackets, which I will link below for you. And on to the next piece. All right friends, this piece right here is no stranger to my channel. I have this in 3 colors now. Had to get it, they just launched it in a dark gray. It is the perfect tank top dress with faux buttons. It's so comfortable. Super comfortable guys. This is cotton, poly, and elastane. Tons of stretch, especially right here under the bust, which I will show you guys that in a minute. Here's what it looks like to the side. And if I forgot to mention, I did pick this up in a 28-30. Here is the THRU color, a nice beautiful dark gray. They also have this in pink, a lime green, brown, like a really pretty light brown. Just so you know, if you're new here, it's hitting me right below my kneecap. So I think this is the perfect length. And right now my fan is on because these studio lights are hot, you guys, and it's super humid here in Illinois. So fan has to stay on. It's also got like this little bit of almost like pleating here in the front, as you guys can see. It's just, I love this. You can do so much with this. Matter of fact, I'll show you exactly what I mean. All right, y'all, so this piece right here, super cute. I cannot wait to wear this fall, and spring for that matter. Really cute, neon, almost like splattered with a black base bomber jacket. Picked this up in a 24-26. This is poly and elastane, so you do have some stretch. Okay, and I'll even prove it to you. I can fully zip this up. Ooh, nice zipper. So before we go any further, here are the true colors. Guys, this is so cute. Here's what it looks like to the side and in the back. Now keep in mind, friends, I'm only 5'3". You guys are gonna see where it's hitting me at, so keep that in mind. So I think it's lovely. Not too hot, not too cold. If you're someone like me that is super warm-blooded, you're gonna love this for the fall. And it'll go with anything, you guys. I mean, it even goes with this dress, in my opinion. Like, wear what you want. All colors go, darling. Don't let nobody tell you any different. Wear what you like. Okay, girl. Y'all know I have a problem with dresses. Just call me a girly girl, okay? So dainty. So here we have another one of their new dresses. I love this print. I love the fabric. I love that it's nice and lightweight. It kind of gives off the appearance of like a t-shirt dress, but it's so much more thinner and comfortable than that. So this is a 24-26. It is poly and elastane. The stretch that you have in this is right here under the bust, and it's just a little bit. Now, it does come with a matching belt with 2 little loopholes here on the side. But girl, don't let that fool you. You can still pair this with your own elastic weight belt, and it's going to look super cute. I would either choose white, because that would really pop, or maybe like a pink. You can pull the pink out of the flowers, but I digress. So here's the side. Now, you do not have stretch here on the sleeves, guys, because remember, it's mostly poly, so keep that in mind. Make sure you're checking your measurements. And to me, this one ran a little bit bigger on the measurements, just FYI. So here is the THRU. Oh, y'all know I am a fool for Floral. Like I said, you've got that nice little cinch in the waist, which essentially gives you a waist. Nice belt. Here we are to the side. Here's the length. It's hitting me right above my knee. And then here is the back. So to me, it's like the perfect length, not too long. If you're wanting a short dress, not too short. I don't feel if I go to, well, maybe it would, so you might want to just. But overall, I love this dress. Super cute. All right, so here. Woo, girl, it's hot than a mug, okay? I am super duper hot right now, but that's because I'm under studio lights and all of that. So don't mind me. Y'all know why I got this. 1, it's pink. 2, it's plaid. This is a 24-26, and it is cotton and poly, I believe. So you have a nice little cinch here. This would look so dope with a nice stretchy brown belt, unless you could find like the bluish purple that's in here, and some really cute cowboy ankle boots. Oh, girl, I would be living. So anyways, here's the side. It is nice and stretchy here. Now I did pick this up, again, based on the measurements, you know, in comparison to my own. Here is the true color. I love this, it's so pretty. And then it's got this little slit here. Nice, easy over the head moment. Gosh, I guess I haven't said that in this video. Mind your business. That's my junk. Anywho, guys, it's hit me right below the knee there. Nice and comfy. I got this to wear in fall because cotton in me, like, I cannot wear a lot of it in the summer. As I said, I think this would look so dope with cowboy boots, especially the ankle ones. Cute little hat maybe. Girl. Y'all know I got more, so hold on. Woo! Okay. No, for real though. Okay, so now we're going to be talking about this really cute top. It's got a lot going on, truly, but I still like it. So, this is a 24-26. It is a mostly poly, little bit of elastane, so there's no stretch in here, so make sure you're checking your measurements. It's got a nice bit of length on it. You guys will see how I paired it. The bottoms are also from SHEIN. They're from this video here. So you guys can check those out if you're interested. They're super comfortable. So, here's what it looks like on the side. It's kind of got like this little bell sleeve moment, just a little. And then In the back, it has this little keyhole button with just a little, like a little pearl button. Here is the true print. It's the same as that dress. So it has the cold shoulder, triangle neck with a little bit of, I just couldn't get it buttoned by myself. So I paired it like this with these distressed capris. Again, they're also from SHEIN. Check that other video that's in the iCards because I show you guys what I paired it with in that video, and all the info on these, link and everything is in that video. So yeah, I like this. It's super cute. I think it fits well. There's room to move, and I like that. All right, friends, so this next piece here is the bottom. It is a maxi skirt, nice and stretchy. I picked mine up in a 26. It's 100% poly, so the only stretch you have is here on the waist. I could have sized down in a 22, 24, but I wanted to ensure that it was going to fit. So, because it's so hot in here right now, I just paired it with a simple cami from SHEIN. And I will have that video either up here in the iCards for you where you can find the link and the cami. But right now we are here to focus on the skirt. So this piece right here is not functional at all. It's just for look, so you could just tie it and be done. Now I like to pull my skirts up right here. Like, I call it my mid-waist because if I wasn't plus size, I think it would be my mid-waist. But it hits me right at my ankles. Okay, down a little further, my bad. But I can still walk in this without having to pair it with heels, wedges, anything like that. So it's nice and lightweight, super flowy. You know, it's not going to be fitting you skin tight. And I like it because it's a nice khaki color, and I don't have any maxi skirts in a khaki color. So yeah, really cute, easy to pair. You could also pair it with something like this. This is also from SHEIN. I will link that video up here for you. And it's actually got some khaki color in it. I'm just really hot right now. So yeah, stay tuned. I have one more really cute dress to share with you. All right, y'all. So how fun is this dress? Like, girl. So if you are needing something to look super cute, obviously wear it with a different bra. I'm just chilling today. I got this in a size 22. Again, check your measurements, boo. Check your measurements. And it is poly and elastane, but there's no stretch in here, ladies, so you definitely want to get true to your size. Here it is on the side, and the back has this cute little tie. Now you'll have to excuse me, I had to tie this myself, which is kind of hard when you got long nails, so it is what it is. Super cute halter dress. I hope I did not get makeup all over here when I was trying to tie it, because I digress. Anyways, so what I love about this one is it's hitting me right below my knee. I wanted it to hit right above, but it's all good. It's all good. And then here's the side and the back. Not too short. This is such a fun party dress. Or, you know, like if you're dating and you're meeting a guy for the second date or whatever, I think this would be totally appropriate. It's a halter, but without showing too much. I think this helps leave things to the imagination, kind of keeps them wondering, like, y'all know what I mean. It's nice and lightweight. The fan is coming through and it's giving, honey, because it's hot up in here, okay? Alright, you guys, so this is the end of today's haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. As always, I always want to know down in the comments, what is your favorite piece from today's haul? And keep in mind, I always keep everything listed down in the description box in the order that I try it on so that it's easier for you guys to shop. So, I want to kindly thank SHEIN once again for giving your girl an opportunity and sponsoring today's video. They have been really good to me and we appreciate them. If you are a newbie, I do want to say that more than 80% of this rack behind me is SHEIN. And so I don't want you to think it's all sponsored content over here, because it's not. But we do appreciate them keeping the lights on. So I do shop SHEIN myself a lot. I have a ton of hauls, and I will leave over here or over here the SHEIN playlist that I created myself. And pretty much all of those videos are me shopping at SHEIN. So I have a SHEIN problem. with the exception of a couple of videos. So thank you guys, as always, for taking time out of your busy day to come hang out with me. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.